Come on, let's hunt, baby.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your host Tarun signing in. So today's ride is all about thrill and fun. Today I'm riding towards Ramgarh and I'll just go there and fetch something from my one of my friends and then I'll come back. So let's enjoy the ride. And I'm really sorry for the wind blast. I don't know what's wrong with my mic. I just recently bought it but it's creating a lot of wind noise and the wind blast is so much that even I can't hear my voice. So we'll do something about it in future. So as of now, enjoy the ride. So I had to slow down here just because of these vultures. So when I was editing this video, I found out that this video and all other videos that I have in my stock, they are all about just pushing the limits of the bike. There is nothing much more of the content to it.
Hey Siri.
And here, due to so much wind noise, Siri even doesn't respond to me. So as of now, I've reached Ramgarh. So let's call our friend and let's meet him, and then we shall get our stuff, and then we should leave.
हेलो, हाँ जी भैया, कहाँ पे हो? मैं गुरुद्वारे के सामने खड़ा हूँ. चलो ठीक है. नहीं, मैं बाइक लेके आया हूँ. मैं ना इंडिकेटर ऑन किए हुए हैं बाइक के ना. मैं आराम से आता हूँ अड्डे की तरफ. डोमिनार है मेरा, वाइट लाइट है इसकी, चारों इंडिकेटर ऑन किए हुए हैं इसके में ना. हाँ, चारों ऑन किए हुए इंडिकेटर. हाँ हेलमेट पहनी हुई है. चलो ठीक है फिर। हाँ हाँ तरुण नाम से कर लो सेव। हाँ तरुण नाम से करो।
So I got my stuff. Let's head back to home. We need to take a U-turn. Let's go to his home and take a U-turn from there. So this one left is my friend Rohit's home. Let's head back to home now. There's nothing much to do now here. I have tons of memory with this place, some good, some bad. But anyways, things happen. Let's have fun and experience the pure thrill of this ride. All good?
मिडिल फिंगर टू यू।
So I didn't want to say the F words. I said the middle finger instead. I'm about to reach my home, and this is the part where I end this video. I had fun riding at this hour of the night. Give a like to the video if you enjoyed it, share among with others, subscribe to my channel, and comment if you have any suggestions for future videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.